Hi, yoga buddies! Welcome back to Yoga with Jade and Mel. Today we're moving gently, slowly, and with ease. If you like yoga like this, don't forget to like and subscribe so you can practice with us again. Ready? Let's begin. Standing tall, feet grounded, arms by sides, chest open, confident, calm stance. Stand tall with arms stretched overhead, palms facing each other, ribs down, shoulders relaxed away from the ears. Stand with feet hip-width apart and fold forward from the hips. Let your arms hang or hold opposite elbows, knees slightly bent. From forward fold, lift your chest halfway. Place hands on shins. Keep back long and flat. Gaze slightly forward. Feet slightly wider than hips. Bend deeply into a squat, heels on the floor if possible. Hands together at chest, elbows pressing knees outward to keep the chest lifted. On all fours, drop belly slightly, lift chest and head, shoulders relaxed, gentle smile. On all fours, round your spine toward the sky. Tuck chin to chest, arms straight, belly pulled in. Kneel down, sit back on your heels, fold forward with arms stretching forward, forehead resting on the mat. From all fours, slide one arm under the body, resting gently on the shoulder and cheek. Repeat both sides. Sit tall, soles of the feet together, knees relaxed outward, hands holding feet gently. Extend the right leg forward, fold gently over it, keeping the spine long. Switch sides. Lie on your back, bring knees to chest, let both knees fall to one side while shoulders stay grounded. Switch sides. Let's stay here and breathe together for 30 seconds. Slow breath in through your nose and slow breath out through your mouth. Feel your body calm and relaxed. You did an amazing job today. Your gentle movements were calm, strong, and beautiful. If you enjoyed this yoga, remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend. See you next time, yoga buddies. Namaste.